A land of warriors and emperors, of traditions and innovations. From the rise of the samurai to the atomic devastation and rebirth, Japan's history is a story of resilience, transformation, and power. Today we unveil the epic saga of Japan. So keep watch this video till end, and if you have not subscribed our channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Chapter 1. The Birth of Japan, Myths and Early Civilization. Our story begins with legend. Japan's birth is shrouded in mythology. According to ancient Shinto beliefs, the gods Izanagi and Izanami created the Japanese islands, and their descendants would become the divine rulers, the emperors of Japan. But beyond myth, the earliest known civilization, the Jomon people, thrived over 10,000 years ago. They were followed by the Yayoi culture, which introduced rice farming and metal tools, changing Japan forever. Chapter 2. The Rise of the Samurai and Feudal Japan. By the 12th century, Japan entered its age of warriors. The powerful samurai class rose, led by shoguns, military dictators who ruled Japan in the name of the emperor. One of the most feared samurai clans, the Minamoto, established the first shogunate in 1192. This marked the beginning of nearly 700 years of samurai rule. Honor, loyalty, and the Bushido Code defined their way of life, but Japan remained isolated from the world until the West arrived. Chapter 3. The Black Ships and the End of Isolation. For over 200 years, Japan closed its borders under the Tokugawa shogunate, but in 1853, everything changed when American warships, led by Commodore Perry, forced Japan to open its ports. This moment ended Japan's isolation and triggered a wave of change that would lead to the fall of the samurai and the birth of modern Japan. Chapter 4. The Rise of an Empire and World War II. Japan rapidly modernized, becoming a global power by the early 20th century, but its expansionist ambitions led to war and destruction. The attack on Pearl Harbor in 1941 plunged Japan into World War II, but the war ended in devastation when 2 atomic bombs were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Chapter 5. From Ashes to Innovation, Japan's Modern Era. From the ashes of war, Japan rebuilt itself into a global economic and technological powerhouse. Today, it stands as a symbol of perseverance, blending ancient traditions with futuristic innovation. Finally, Japan's legacy and future. Japan's history is a tale of warrior spirit, resilience, and reinvention. From emperors to shoguns, from war to peace, its story continues to inspire the world. What will the next chapter hold? Only time will tell. If you enjoyed this journey through Japan's epic history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible historical stories. Let me know in the comments, what part of Japan's history fascinates you the most?